jogging along with his truck. Push him. Go on, laughed the truck. Help, said Percy. He's heading towards the water. Ah, said Percy. His driver was firing and applied his brakes, but it was too late. His driver was firing shut down, and the freight cars unbuckled themselves, and Percy fell in. Whoa.